Students, the question says every day Eduardo tries to phone his friend. Every time he phones, there's a 50% chance that his friend will answer. If his friend answers, Eduardo does not phone again on that day. If the friend does not answer, Eduardo tries again in few minutes' time. If his friend has not answered after 4 attempts, then Eduardo does not try again on the same day. So the question one says draw a tree diagram to illustrate this situation. So if I go for a tree diagram, so the diagram will be this. So the for his to answer the call is 0.5 because we have already said there's a 50% chance of his answering the call. So and the call goes unanswered. So again, the probability is 0.5, which is 1 minus 0.5. So if it's unanswered, then again he makes a call. So the probability of it getting answered will be again 0.5. And again going unanswered will be zero point 0.5 again. So if it's unanswered again, he will again make a call and the probability of getting answered is 0.5 and the probability of getting unanswered is 0.5 again. So this is 3 times he have made a call. Now he try the final attempt, makes a call. If it is answered, so the probability is 0.5 and if it remains unanswered, so the probability is again 0.5. So after 4 attempts, it does not make any call on that day. So this is the tree diagram and the answer for first part of the question. The second part of the question says, now this is by Eduardo underscore copy and complete table showing the problem. Now for 0, so that means for the first term, so it remains unanswered, so the probability is half. Because once we are traveling across the arms of the tree diagram, we use multiplication theorem. So for 1, it remains unanswered is half into half, which is 1 by 4. Again, so it will be half into half, so that will be 1 by 8. It will be 1 by 16. And again, it will be 1 by 16 then. So this is how we complete the table, which is given for the unanswered poll calls of Eduardo. Part 3 says calculate the expected number of unanswered calls. Now the expected number means we have to calculate the expected value of x, and the formula for that is summation of probability into x value. That means I have to multiply the x value with the given probability. So half into x value is 0 plus summation means to add 1 by 4 into 1 plus 1 by 8 into 2 plus 1 by 16 into 3 plus 1 by 16 into 4. So if I add all of this, so I'll get an answer as 15 by 16. If I put it into the decimal form, so it can be 0.938. So that's the answer for the third part of the question. Thank you, students.